Hi guys, we're back at Small Heath train station, Stratford upon Avon. This is the way out, and then this is what happens if you cross this. And look at the scenery. Now if you guys want to see the scenery, I'll show you the scenery. So just look at this amazing scenery. Here's the railway tracks. Railway tracks. More railway tracks, trees, benches, more benches back there. This is what it looks like from here. This is what it looks like from the other side. Look at this bench. Okay, but guys, all I'm asking is for one more subscriber so then I can go live. And look, this is like, look, and then look all the way down there. There's some trains. This is what I'm using to show you guys everything. And this is such a good station, and lots of trains come here. There's something there, and then behind those trees there's a highway. Look, there's graffiti on the wall. There's a lot going on. Oh, guys, they just said stand back because a train's gonna come. It said please stand back for some reason. I think what was that noise? Oh, look guys. See, there's some like cargo trains down there. Look at the scenery.